Welcome to another African exploration video. In this video, we explore the Indian Ocean East African island nation of Seychelles. We'll be looking at its history, culture, the people, and the economy in Seychelles. If you're new to the channel, welcome. Be sure to like, subscribe, and share this video with someone so that they get to know more about the African continent. By far, according to the organization Transparency International, it ranks Seychelles as the least corrupt African nation, and in case you also must know, this island nation is relatively the smallest African country in terms of square mileage, with only 175 square miles. The country is officially known as the Republic of Seychelles, and it comprises of 115 islands, with Victoria being the capital city, located on the Mahi Island. History. The first non-indigenous person to discover this island nation was Frenchman Lazare Picault in 1742. France was able to name this territory Seychelles, though after a long battle, they finally lost the island nation to the British in 1810. Seychelles gained her independence in 1976 under the great leadership of James Mancham. He was later ousted in a coup d'etat that was organized by his Prime Minister, Franz Albert Rene. This all happened when he had gone on a trip outside the country. Culture. The Seychelles culture is highly influenced by African, European, and Asian heritage. Different parts of the country speak different languages depending on the early settlements that happened in that specific area. There are 3 official languages spoken in Seychelles, and these include English, French, and Seychellois, or you can call it Creole. This language is a mixture of French and other Seychelles languages. According to how it sounds, you could say it's a French dialect with an African touch. The African influence on this island nation of Seychelles can be felt in the music, dance, and the cuisines that are served on this island nation. As the culture is today in Seychelles, majority of the people do not consider getting married. This is simply because marriage in the country has been turned into an exaggerated ceremony. People spend lots of money to get married, so what many have actually decided to do is to step back and just cohabit to basically avoid these very high costs. People. Seychelles comprises of Africans, French, Asians. These are further subdivided into Chinese, Indians, and the Malaysians. All these people have intermarried, and now what the country has is a mixed population, or you can call it a biracial population. In terms of religion, most people in Seychelles subscribe to the Roman Catholic Church, but there are other religions like the Anglicans, there are the Hindus, and also the Muslims. Economy. Seychelles is the least corrupt country on the African continent, according to Transparency International. The Seychellois gross domestic product over the past decades has grown at a very fast rate than the population itself. This has been attributed to the many industries and sectors in the country that greatly contribute to the national coffers. Among these, there is the fishing industry that greatly contributes to the national gross domestic product. The Seychelles fishing industry is a modern fishing industry that exports and also serves the local market. It is very famous for the canned tuna fish. There are other industries in the country that contribute to the GDP, like the manufacturing industry, then there's forestry and also farming. Well, that's all we could say about this beautiful African nation of Seychelles. In case you found this video very helpful, please do leave a like on it, subscribe, and also share this video with someone so that they get to learn more about the African continent. And also let us know where you're watching this video from. Thank you so much for watching. Watch more about Africa here on the card.